and welcome to the ECD 527 Lesson 1 narrated presentation. In this presentation, we will address components of a high-quality math program and how to best design and implement a student-centered learning environment to best meet the needs of the young learner. There are many key components to a high-quality math program, including the materials, the context and culture, the learner, the families, and of course, the teacher. There's a large body of research that points to the teacher as the single most important factor contributing to student achievement. It's important to reflect upon teacher beliefs and perceptions of math, as it can greatly influence student outcomes. Stanford University psychologist Carol Dweck discusses two types of mindsets, fixed and growth mindset, or more bluntly, learners and non-learners. In a fixed mindset, people believe that their basic qualities, like intelligence or talent, are fixed traits. In a growth mindset, people believe that their most basic abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Brains and talent are simply a starting point. This mindset creates a love of learning and a resilience that is essential for great accomplishments. Think of yourself and your students. How helpful would that type of grit and tenacity be when tackling some of those harder math problems? So instead of saying, "I'm just not a math person," instead, we can teach our students to approach math with a growth mindset to enhance their overall skills and abilities. In this lesson, you'll read documents published by NACE and NCTM designed to address the question, what makes a high-quality math education? The two forces have combined to create various position statements. NCTM has honed in on 6 specific principles of math instruction that are embedded components of a quality math program. They are equity, curriculum, teaching, technology, learning, and assessment. For an overview of each, equity. Equity refers to excellence in mathematics in terms of equity, regardless of students' background, personal characteristics, or physical challenges. Every child deserves access to a high-quality math instruction. This doesn't mean that every student should receive the same instruction. Rather, it demands reasonable and appropriate accommodations are made for all students. Curriculum. An effective math curriculum should be coherent with mathematical ideas built upon and linked to each other in a way that challenges students to learn increasingly more sophisticated mathematical ideas as they continue their studies. Teaching. Students' understanding of mathematics, their ability to use it to solve problems, and their confidence in doing so are all shaped by the teaching they experience in school. Quality math instruction is essential. And technology. In a balanced mathematics program, the strategic use of technology strengthens mathematics teaching and learning. Which brings us to learning. Students must learn mathematics for understanding, actively building new knowledge from experience and connecting to previous knowledge. And assessment. Assessment should be an integral part of mathematics instruction and should inform and guide teachers as they make instructional decisions. Cognitively guided instruction, or CGI, is an approach to teaching mathematics that builds on children's natural problem-solving strategies. Based on over 20 years of research, CGI identifies specific strategies that students use and helps teachers understand how students think so that they can guide their students towards mathematical understanding. Coupled with CGI is the concept of cognitive demand. According to NCTM's 2014 Principles to Action, engaging children in productive struggle is a powerful teaching strategy. Posing worthwhile questions and tasks that are cognitively demanding, they require higher levels of thinking. They help students make connections, show them how to analyze information, and draw conclusions. Creating a student-centered, Highly differentiated learning environment will help to meet the needs of diverse learners. Through the use of multiple instructional approaches, strategies, and materials, various levels and styles of learners can experience greater overall math achievement. In addition to high-quality math instruction in the classroom, effective teachers extend the math principles into the home environment. Embedding math throughout the day and across contexts provides greater meaning, value, and connection to mathematical thinking and reasoning. As you set a vision for designing high-quality mathematics instruction and assessment, remember, think long-term. We are preparing our students for an ever-changing world, for jobs that possibly don't even exist today. Their mathematical ability, mathematical thinking, and mathematical reasoning will help to prepare them for our ever-changing world. Conceptual understanding, procedural fluency, strategic competence, and adaptive reasoning are foundational skill sets in our global economy. Thoughtfully design your classroom and your instruction to promote relational understanding and mathematical proficiency to ensure that our young learners are getting the foundation they need through a high-quality mathematics experience.